Hello, friends. I'm your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with Wellness Wednesday as we're exploring the evolution and the growth of Tracy's Total Wellness and what to look forward to as we reveal this deeper support for women that are highly sensitive, empathic, and intuitive. For me, I hold a mission to get more prosperity and well-being into the hands and into, today we're going to talk about the minds of light workers. And for one of the main pillars of Tracy's Total Wellness, we focus on your mental well-being. Are you battling yourself? Are you on your side or maybe not? Do sometimes you feel the weight of judgment or what I call overwhelm, which is a lack of prioritizing, take over when you want to feel more at ease? Are you noticing you have limiting beliefs, or you are at that next level of growth and you're coming up to resistance? So often we don't realize the challenges and everything we have can get their healing work, and then we get to that next level of growth, and sometimes we come up against new challenges, new barriers. How can you start to allow your mind to be friend with you? Using your mind to partner with your body and the way that you feel, we can have access to true well-being. This is one of the pillars of Tracy's Total Wellness for a main reason, as whatever we think is generally actions that go into it. Being together in sacred community is a continual foundation at Tracy's Total Wellness. And when we are in spaces where we can truly listen to others and also feel like we can be heard, this thoughts up here start to transform, and we can use our minds as an ally in community, within our own self-work, in our relationships, and in the work that we do in the world. This is something to look forward to in Tracy's Total Wellness elevated programs, from our academy to our sisterhood to experiences at our monthly events, virtually and in person, and some of our deeper immersive retreats. Get ready for a mind wellness revamp. I am your Tracy's Total Wellness Girl with Wellness Wednesday and the elevation of our mental well-being. Be well.